Well, welcome back once again to another edition of JJ's PC Builds. This is your boy JJ right here. We're going to talk about AMD Adrenalin 22.12.2. We've already talked about 12.1 and so on in previous videos, so stick around. We're going to get it rolling right here on JJ's PC Builds. And welcome back. Seems that, when I got this new graphics card, the RX 6500 XT, it seems that, I'm sitting there looking for driver updates and everything else for it, but, it doesn't seem like it's working. The reason why I'm saying it's not working, and I want you to hear me out on this, is my integrated graphics, okay, can get 22.12.1 and 22.12.2. I checked all that out today and seen that this is possible. Okay, my integrated graphics of all things gets 22.12.2. Okay, but the new GPU I bought, the discrete graphics card, does not get it. The furthest it goes is 22.11.2. That's about as further as it goes. And that's really disappointing to see that, And finding that out, I'm going to bring y'all to this page. This is legacy drivers, right? Okay. These are basically your drivers that have gone out of date, last of whatever. Okay. Unsupported drivers. Okay. Now this card still says it's active. So that means the drivers for this card should still be active. But guess what? This is all I get. 22.11.2 right here. Last update. This says release date 12/8/2022. You're telling me this is released in December of this year? How's that possible? Especially when you got the drivers for 22.12.2 that is supposed to be for the RX 7900 XTX and the RX 7900 XT, but my iGPU still runs it and runs it just fine. So I don't get it. I don't get where, They I know y'all hear the train in the back. That's fine. But I still don't see this is as an update. I really don't. I see this as like a kick in the teeth and like people are not going to notice. But I can tell you this, the drivers for 22.12.2 are only supported for the RX 7900 XTX. That's what was posted to me. So if you were to do the diligence and we go to the 7900 XTX and we go for the driver support, there it is right there. The 22.12.2, which is supported by my iGPU. and this is 12/20 of 2022. So that's more than like 7 days ago. Okay, 7 days ago. Let's go into the release notes. See, then they tell you the corruption may be encountered when using virtual super resolution, multi-display configurations. Yeah, well, that's what threw me for a loop. But anyway, a system crash may be observed when changing display modes with 4 display configurations. Yep, I believe that too. Spider-Man, blah blah blah, ray tracing. Yeah, we know ray tracing doesn't cut it good with AMD. Improvement to power usage during hardware accelerated video playback. Further power efficiency improvements are planned in future releases. So they got something in future releases for power efficiency. Known issues: high power idle during high resolution and high rate refresh rate displays. Intermittent app crashes or driver timeout may occur when using Radeon Super Resolution. Some extended display configurations. Video stuttering or performance may be observed with some extended display configurations. While playing Valheim, an app crash or timeout may occur because of the Vulkan API, which may be experiencing issues with select DirectX API as a temporary workaround. Some virtual reality games or apps may experience lower than expected performance, so you lose performance. Is there anything else I need to touch upon? It looks like that they say this is only for the 7900 XTX or the 7900X, the 7900 series graphics cards. My bad. So, as you can see, there's nothing else that it's connected to. Basically, that is what it is. It says product compatibility right here. There's not much more that there's to talk about with that. So, just let you know, that's what's happening with the driver support for the 7900 RX 7900 XTX and 7900 XT. So if you're wondering if it's going to be, this is going to be the right software update for you, for your drivers and your software for your 7900, it might be, but they still got a lot of bugs and whistles in it, so do be aware of it, just to let you know. Alright, that was my conclusion, and if you like my video, then like and subscribe to the channel if you want to get the latest updates on the videos when they're posted, and also to watch the videos because we need 4,000 watch hours. It helps the channel tremendously so we can become a monetized channel. So make sure, if you're watching this for the first time, make sure you subscribe and watch the videos from beginning to end. But anyway, we're going to jump out of here. So this is JJ, your boy. We will see you on the next video, and have a happy holiday. Hey!